that's what I'm talking about, right? So when all of these issues and problems, you two are thriving and your businesses are thriving. And I know you're going to say no, thank you.
we have our issues.
कल और हालत से लग रहा है हम thrive कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. For example, when we were launching her beauty, the import ban came up. It
खत्म हो गई बात.
it delayed our launch by like almost 8 months. We had to like really suffer in this area, and we had to wing, we had to pivot, we had
That
to find
very year,
ways.
they also increased the taxes on imported things to 25%.
Yes.
थ्रिफ्टिंग का कल्चर, लंडे बाजार का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो तभी सक्सेसफुल रहेगा जब आपको समझ आए कि कैप्सूल वार्डरोब क्या होती है.
So it'll be the last 3 months, and probably now it'll be in the next few years also the first 3 months, because Eid will fall into that, you know. So highest number of triers happen in this season, unfortunately, and obviously they buy on the sale.
क्या है? What's the best product that you guys sell?
It's our Oso Cherry Cleansing Balm.
Oh my god, that's the one I use. It's like magic. And I don't understand like how, because it's like a tiny little amount you put on your कुछ
You don't jump onto trends. You're like,
no,
like
we
acrylic
design
nails,
no, we design
microblading.
What are you talking about?
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to another episode of Let's Be Real. Today we have two powerhouses in our studio. These are two women who have excelled not just personally but also professionally. They run their own businesses and they're amazing personalities. So first we have Zainab, who now owns Her Beauty. Before that, she's owned a salon and she's also worked in branding at L'Oreal. And we have Parishe. I don't think Parishe needs an introduction, but she is now the CEO of Amir Adnan, and she also runs her own fashion brand by the name of House of Parishe. Thank you, girls.
Thank you for having us.
No, thank you so much for coming in. How did you do it? I mean, like, you know, to be fair, it's difficult. In Pakistan, it's become much better. लेकिन काफ़ी मुश्किल रहा है, बहुत वक्त तक बहुत मुश्किल रहा है, you know, to build your own brand, to be a woman, especially at the forefront. How did this happen? Where did it start from?
Well, you know, I've been in the beauty industry for about कोई 20 साल से, you know, and I've worked with, you know, the powerhouses of, you know, infrastructure.
हाँ.
जैसे Unilever, L'Oreal, और फिर मैंने local companies में भी काम किया हुआ है, which are beauty centric. So I learned the foundation. कैसे आप ब्रांड्स को बिल्ड करते हैं, कैसे आप स्केल करते हैं, क्या रेगुलेशंस है, कैसे प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, कैसे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की क्या लॉज है, क्या एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट की क्या है, ऑल दीज टर्म्स एंड दे हेल्प. आई थिंक basically it opens you and it gets you ready to create what is scalable.
Yeah.
You know, and that's really important when you're thinking about vision and what you want for yourself.
Yeah.
And what you want your business to look like.
Yeah. So Parisha, I know we go a long way back. It's been a few years, a decade or more. And then you went abroad to get your degree. फिर क्या हुआ? वापस आ गए? Degrees. Lovely.
I don't know, मैं actually मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं किस point अपनी journey में कहाँ से शुरू करूँ. But I just wanted to say before we continue about me, I think ज़ैनब ने जो बातें की है ना बिल्कुल सही की हैं. अगर मेरे पास corporate background नहीं होता ना, अगर मैंने economics नहीं पढ़ी होती, accounting नहीं पढ़ी होती, strategy नहीं पढ़ी होती, business finance scalability नहीं पढ़ी होती, supply chains का मुझे नहीं पता होता, I would not be where I am today. To be very frank with you.
तो मतलब पढ़ना ज़रूरी है.
Not पढ़ना ज़रूरी है. आप याद नहीं पता है honestly आप अगर business family से भी आते हैं ना तो भी आप समझ जाते हैं चीज़ें. You can learn on the spot. करते हुए भी आप सीख सकते हैं, but उसके बगैर चीज़ें करना बहुत मुश्किल है. And the other thing I would say is कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर ना ideas बहुत सारे हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि इंतहाई creative हैं, ठीक है, जिनकी इतनी ऊंची सोच है कि मतलब it's hard to even encompass in words कि मतलब वो किस तरह सोचते हैं, लेकिन executioners जो है ना वो कम है. एंड जब आप एग्जीक्यूशन पे आ जाए ना, आइडिया बेशक 20% भी हो,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
दैट्स द एज,
The needle.
Absolutely, 100%.
तो इवन व्हेन योर प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट परफेक्ट ना, आई एम श्योर इनके साथ ये
बहुत teething issues थे, बहुत teething
बट
issues
इनका
थे.
ब्रांड पता है हाउ डिड इट बिकम फ्रॉम, ये मेरा एक्चुअली इनसे सवाल ये था कि एक डायरी में आप एक आइडिया लिखते हैं ना, जैसे इन्होंने अपनी बहुत खूबसूरती से एक विजन बता दिया कि मेरे दिमाग में ना एक स्माइली फेस था जिसमें बीच में स्टार था, यूं मुझे एक विजन आया. लेकिन वो विजन गारंटीड लिख के ले लें 10 में से 9 लोगों को आएगा.
ऐसा ही है.
बट सिर्फ एक ही होगी ज़ैनब जिसने वो चीज़ करके दिखा भी दी, उसको स्केल भी कर दिया, प्रोडक्ट को आपके पास थर्ड पार्टीज पे मतलब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी कर दिया, एंड नाउ दे आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स स्केलेबिलिटी, व्हिच आई थिंक दैट इज That's remarkable.
How do you do that? वो कैसे आती
तो
है?
मैं यही तो इनसे पूछना चाहती थी.
नहीं, but you've done it as well now.
No, okay, so for me it's a bit different.
Yeah.
You see, you must remember कि House of Parichet was not started as a commercial entity.
अच्छा.
कभी भी नहीं. It was a force of rebellion. It's a fact.
Against?
Everything, the wedding industry, the way we manufacture, fast supply chains, everything. It was my statement.
But your insight was so, your
Yeah,
problem solving
insight
was
was
so
solid.
there. You just defined it right now. You just told me why you did it.
I did it, but
Yeah, the passion was right there. The obsession
but
was right
passion
there.
does not sell.
No.
That's the key
But
here.
it keeps you awake and it gives you grit.
ये है
I agree.
बट जितनी गालियां उस शो पे मुझे सुननी पड़ी है ना, मैं आपको क्या बताऊं, जितने मुझे डेथ थ्रेट्स आए हैं, I don't know
my
how
God.
yeah it was that
अच्छा.
same show that you
Oh, the
that
one
you
that I saw,
that
right?
the first
The
one.
first one at
Yes,
District.
because we had
Yes.
trans people walking in it,
Right.
we had different bodies walking in it, मतलब मैंने models
I
बिल्कुल
think
नहीं ली
that's
थी.
why it caught my attention, to be honest. I was
और-
like,
हाँ.
where is this? And I'm so
Why,
glad
yeah.
there's a self-expression happening,
हाँ.
which is not being dictated by mainstream. And I loved it.
The
I'm
after
sure.
was very tough for you.
Very tough. But
But you were challenging up you were
हाँ.
status quo.
yeah.
Yeah.
ये मैं एक सोच को ना क्वेश्चन कर रही थी
Yeah.
कि आप जो वेडिंग इंडस्ट्री है, did you know it's like a $4.5 billion industry?
And you're sitting in the...
I'm sitting in it, right? So my point was कि आप इतने पैसे खर्च करते हैं, and my kind of inclination started जब मेरी एक दोस्त थी जिसने मुझे कहा कि यार परीशे, मेरी ना पर नानी का आउटफिट है और मुझे वही पहनना है. I was like यार दिखाना. So she brought it. And I kid you not, like I don't know, maybe with you guys the art is different, but मेरे लिए ना जब, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि एक गारमेंट को सीने में उसको असेंबल करने में क्या क्या चीज़ें जाती हैं, तो जब मैंने उनकी पर नानी का पीस खोला ना अपने सामने, तो हाथ से जो टाका लगा हुआ था ना, आई कुड इवन सी के उसका हाथ यहाँ से घबराया होगा एंड उसका टांका ऊपर गया फिर नीचे आया, वो सीधा नहीं था, राइट? एज अपोज टू नाउ वी गॉट द फ्लैग क्लॉथ, द चेन सिस्टम, सारी चीज़ें यूं यूं एक के बाद एक निकल रही हैं, फास्ट फैशन है. वो इतनी खूबसूरती से चीज़ बनी हुई थी. आई वॉज लाइक it's an honor for me कि सबसे पहले तो आप मुझे इस चीज़ पे ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं, but this reminds me that why are we in this constant consumerism cycle?
बिल्कुल.
Right? आप एक चीज़ खरीदते हैं और फिर आप वो चीज़ दोबारा पहन ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि लोगों ने देख
ली
लिया
है.
Oh yeah.
And that was why, in fact,
The insight came. Okay,
we
House of-
did Hop. And the biggest piece from that show,
Right.
the one that actually caught people's attention, went viral in
Yes.
Pakistan and in
Yeah.
India, was the reversible lehenga,
Right.
जो कि अभी तक किसी ने पहना नहीं है.
हाँ,
अब वही ना, कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट नहीं है उसका.
right.
But
But virality थी.
but सोच थी
सोच
ना,
थी
मतलब
ना, concept तो था.
Yes, it started a communication. It
Yeah.
started dialogue.
Yeah.
कि यार ये क्या है, ये क्यों है, अब जिसको समझ नहीं आ रही चीज़ और जो if it's poking at your logic,
Yeah.
you're either going to hate it or love it.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna circle back to what you were saying. पुराने कपड़े, पुरानी ज्वेलरी, हर चीज़ ही मैं कह लूँ खूबसूरत. आई हेट आजकल के कपड़े, आई हेट आजकल की ज्वेलरी. मुझे भी यही होता है कि मैं पुरानी अपनी अम्मा का कोई कुंदन निकाल लूँ या अपनी अम्मा का कोई जोड़ा निकाल लूँ.
Yeah.
एंड वी नो उसके रीजंस क्या है, राइट? आजकल एवरीथिंग इज वेरी आर्टिफिशियल, मिलावटें बहुत हैं, एंड यू नो इवन लाइक कपड़े में इट्स पॉलिएस्टर है, it's not pure as they say. I think pure raw silk is also not pure.
Anymore in the market, yes.
Yeah.
लोगों के पास पैसे भी तो नहीं है, sorry.
बिल्कुल सही बात है. जो प्राइसेस हो गई हैं,
Yeah.
they're just not afford.
Outpriced
हाथ का
now.
काम आपको
बिल्कुल.
चाहिए, आपको लुक हाथ के काम की चाहिए, पर हाथ के काम के पैसे नहीं है.
Yes.
हाँ, तो क्या है? What's the solution? How do you?
I swear if I knew, man.
But you think people's mindset have changed now? Do you think fast fashion, all of us obviously,
So, for work, for example, you were just talking about this. I do wear more digital prints then.
Yeah.
I don't want to spend that much money to drop on Calm and like Bari Calm, And I don't know much about clothes. So I'm going to be very basic when I say this,
Yeah.
please don't mind. So I'll buy like a digital print which has a little bit of Gota work to make it look fancy.
Yeah,
And it'll be like,
yeah.
it does its job and it's like,
Yeah.
very nice and
Yeah.
cool and eclectic. So I think people are, you're right. पैसा नहीं है तो people are looking at क्या compromise कर
but
सकते हैं.
लेकिन कपड़े repeat भी नहीं करने.
Yes,
so
so
what she
that's
said,
what-
I feel
yes.
like that is also a problem. And I think there are I think globally to hai a lot of celebs who repeat clothes just to show that you can repeat clothes and it's okay. But locally I haven't really seen that much.
I think कि अगर इस प्रॉब्लम पे स्पेसिफिकली बात की जाए ना, we are actually moving towards an era जहाँ पर I think Sidra brought it up that day also. It's about the thrifting culture, but more than the thrifting culture, you see the thrifting culture thrives. मतलब thrifting का culture, लंडे बाजार का जो concept है, वो तभी successful रहेगा जब आपको समझ आए कि capsule wardrobe क्या होती है. For example,
क्या होती है?
Zainab is wearing this beautiful waistcoat.
Okay.
ठीक है, आप लिख के ले लें, वो उन्होंने कल नहीं ली होगी और वो कल इसको इन वेस्टकोट को फेंक नहीं देंगी. She will wear it with a white shirt. She will wear it with a
I was
t-shirt.
just about to say that
She will
by-
wear it with
by
her jeans.
staples, yeah,
She will wear it with her pant
100%.
pajama.
Yes.
She will wear it with a belted shalwar.
Yeah.
She can wear it with 100 things.
Yes.
So this becomes a part of her capsule. मतलब
Right.
इसका जो पर्पस है ना, वो आप मल्टी लेयर करके डिफरेंट स्टाइलिंग करके इनकी
Yes.
शॉल ऊपर से डालेंगी, इनका लुक चेंज हो जाएगा. ऊपर से आप हैवी ज्वेलरी डालेंगी, स्टाइलिंग बदल जाएगी. बट पीस तो वही है. आई थिंक दैट नाउ जो जनरेशन आ रही है ना, उन्हें समझ आ रही है कि अगर आपने क्वालिटी पे इन्वेस्ट किया ना, यू गॉट टू इन्वेस्ट स्मार्टली.
Yeah.
आई डोंट माइंड स्पेंडिंग मोर मनी ऑन समथिंग जो मैं बार बार इस्तेमाल करूंगी. And I mentioned this that day too. It's girl math.
Right. It is girl math.
It
You
is.
pick
Yeah.
something that जो मुझे पता है कि ब्लैक टी शर्ट है ना, अब मैं अच्छी क्वालिटी की ब्लैक टी शर्ट लूंगी, नॉट समथिंग जो 2 धुलाई में खत्म हो जाए.
100%.
Which
you're
is
right.
most-
And that is the way I shop now more. Yes.
एंड जैसे आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ती जाती है ना, आप अवेयरनेस बढ़ती जाती है, एजुकेशन बढ़ती जाती है, एंड ग्लोबलाइजेशन इज चेंजिंग दिस ट्रेंड टू.
Yes.
यू स्टार्ट शॉपिंग दिस वे.
Yes.
Yeah, and I think that's what people need to start doing. But I was just, one of my cousins the other day, I was traveling with her and she's like, oh, I took a picture of my outfits and I put it on ChatGPT and ChatGPT made the wardrobe for me.
दिमाग सही जगह लगाया है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही है.
But she's absolutely right. I think, I actually have 2 uniform outfits that I wear for travel. Because I said, listen, I'm working. I don't have time to figure out my outfit every time. So I know in my head, these are my basic staples that I will keep, and then invest in with them.
Yes.
High quality cotton,
Yes.
make sure they're
Yeah.
sustainable, make sure
Organic.
they're breathable.
Yes.
And yes,
Yes.
so I'm comfortable wearing them. They provide function for me and it looks stylish at the same time.
Correct.
So I do want to look stylish.
एंड पता है जैसे जैसे वो आपने वो देखा है Maslow's hierarchy.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
As you get higher on Maslow's hierarchy,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Your decision making for menial things like
It's,
this
it's
goes
just
down.
bilkul.
But does it in Pakistan?
Ab-
अब देखिए यहाँ पर ना, जिस तरह हमारा स्ट्रेटा डिवाइडेड है ना, उसी को रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा हमारा फैशन.
बिल्कुल.
अगर नहीं होता ना, तो then your mass brands would be
Collapsing right now.
collapsing right now. By the way, they are.
They are, I know.
I've heard, yeah.
Yes.
You
Yes.
talk about that as well.
Yeah.
But I don't think that's because of them.
And who is it because
I
of?
think it's because of I personally think because I'm in this background,
Yeah.
I'm not sure कि beauty industry में क्या क्या चीज़ें back end पे चल रही हैं, but ये जो 12 से 15 से 18 पे GST गया है, उसने बड़ा हमें तंग किया है.
अच्छा.
Seriously. And the way that it changes, the more frequently it changes, what am I supposed to do? क्या मैं अपनी price consumer पे push करूँ या absorb करूँ? अगर absorb करना है, क्योंकि मुझे इनसे compete करना है, मेरा
Right.
margin ही 2 रुपए का है, अब मैं क्या करूँ? I take a loan. In order
But
to
margins इतने tight क्यों हैं परिशय?
What do you mean? अगर इतनी स्केल पे आपने बनाना है और मुझे तानिया से कम मतलब सस्ता बेचना है, तानिया 100 रुपए का बेच रही है, कोई बात नहीं, I'll sell for 98 rupees. That's why margins are lower on that scale.
Yes, on that mass
Right?
scale, yes.
Correct. And
It's a
then
volume-based business, right?
Correct.
That's
why you're competing. It's the
Yeah.
Coke and Pepsi rule.
Basically.
Basically.
It's about the small 20 SI.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
और वो आप कैसे बचाएंगे जब पीछे से you have no reliability कि
Yeah.
कल क्या होगा?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys are investors, are you? About
I
a
am,
year-
but like somebody else manages.
But
it.
yeah,
That's
same.
my husband.
That's why I was like, I don't really know much about it, but I
Lucky
do
me.
have some of the management.
Okay, yeah, so I've just gotten into it. तो मुझे
Okay.
पता चला, ये एक sorry if I'm derailing you.
Yeah, yeah, go on.
I was just saying कि पहले ना वो होता था, अगर आप स्टॉक मार्केट में आप पैसे डालते हैं तो वो कुछ आपको रीबेट मिलता था, वो भी उन्होंने निकाल दिया. Now,
अच्छा.
there's no more
Oh,
tax
okay.
rebate on this situation.
अच्छा.
Like income tax. Now there's
अच्छा.
also a super tax. If you make profit, तो
Yes.
वो भी safe नहीं है.
Yes.
अगर आप billion rupees cross करते हैं तो super tax है.
Yeah.
Which is an
वो तो I know.
additional 27%.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's,
So
every
it's
day.
against growth basically.
Very much so.
Yeah.
And not just that, I also think it's severely against entrepreneurship unless you find different ways to work. And
What are those different ways?
I personally don't know, and plus I've been trained in that way where everything has to be black and white. Now
Yeah.
the issue with black and white is once you register with the FBR, then they know, then they will push,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
If I have X amount of oranges जिसमें से मुझे जूस निकालना है और जूस नहीं आ रहा और मुझे जूस वहाँ देना है, तो I'm going to squeeze
बिल्कुल.
as much as I can to the very last drop until I can't. Now I don't know if that orange is not registered with me.
Yeah.
That's the
It's very similar to in the beauty industry.
yeah. That's what I was
Yeah.
wondering because
Mass brands also have a lot of like, you know, they do a lot of underhanded things,
Acha.
because they're a lot of
Acha.
cash based.
Because that's the only way
and they're
to-
still cash based, and that's why they're able to, you know, do a lot of regional deals, and they're able to spend more money on media, and they're able to do all that because they're dealing in cash.
And these
they're
mass
not
brands-
as institutionalized, you know,
Zainab, these mass brands are what? Local, global?
all local.
All local.
ग्लोबल आप करेंगे
Global
तो
आप
आपके
नहीं कर
पास
सकते.
फिर वो
You
आ
cannot
जाएंगे
do
ना
that.
IAS
They
के
have
पूरे
high
स्टैंडर्ड्स
level,
आ जाते
yes,
हैं
and they have to pay royalty back and so
Correct.
forth. So they are not allowed to do these type of things. They are very compliant.
and their audits
By the
are
book.
happening not just
Yes,
from local
local
instead
and global
but
audits
globally
yeah.
as well.
Yes, so they're
Yeah.
very, very by the
Acha.
yeah. Everything is very, very.
I completely agree
clean,
with her.
very, very clean.
Wow.
Yeah.
Which is why what she's done is actually very remarkable, and I really have so many like business related questions to ask you.
Sure.
No, I think that's what I'm talking about, right? So when all of these issues and problems, you two are thriving and your businesses are thriving. And
said-
I know you're
No,
going to
we
say, no,
have
thank you.
our, we have our issues. We have our growths and ambitions
शक्ल और
that, you know,
हालत से
kabhi
लग रहा है
kabhar.
thrive कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. We're also pushing the parameter.
What's your
of-
biggest problem today?
Alhamdulillah. I don't know. You know, I don't really think of it in terms of कि मेरी आज जो है ना सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. जब मैं सुबह उठती हूँ ना, मेरे दिमाग में आता है कि अगले 18 घंटे मुझे क्या करना है. Which is what's the most necessary thing as me being CEO. मुझे 18 घंटे में check off from my list क्या करना है.
Yeah.
And if the thing that comes to me is not on my list, it's going to get crossed off. That's how I operate. So in
Yeah.
18-hour windows.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Because if I start thinking कि आज से 5 साल बाद मुझे कहाँ है, I find that me as a person I get distracted.
Yeah.
I'm like okay वहाँ जाना है ना, लेकिन आज
आज
अभी
क्या
मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ that will get me there. Instead of loose planning. So I don't really know. Okay, what
I think
is
that's a
the
good
most
way of looking at it. Do you also do that or do you like plan for the future?
No.
future?
I work on like 2-year plans at a given day because
Okay.
मुझे पता है कि मेरी cycles कैसी हैं. And my biggest thing is, can I innovate fast enough? Can I launch this fast enough? Can I renovate my formula fast enough? Make sure I do all the testing, make sure I do all the requirements, all the import. You know, हमने एक दफ़ा, I mean, for example, जब when we were launching her beauty, the import ban came up. ठीक है?
Can you
I
imagine
can't tell
who,
you.
how, who, where did it come from?
Yeah.
They just decided one. They're like, बस आप import
You know,
नहीं कर
it,
सकते."
खत्म हो गई
it delayed our launch by like almost 8 months. We had to like really suffer in this area, and we had to wing, we had to pivot, we had
That
to find
very year,
ways.
they also increased the taxes on imported things to 25%.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं यहाँ पर चूना बनाकर आपको दे दूँ, उस पे टैक्स नहीं है.
Yeah.
मैं अच्छा प्रोडक्ट टर्की से मंगवा कर आपको दूँ,
Yeah.
25% गवर्नमेंट लेगी.
Yeah.
Absolute madness.
So that's been it's been really hard.
Yeah.
But if you stick to planning, and I think planning is very, very important, you know, and
Yeah.
not just day to day, because you're already following like quarter calendars and
Yeah.
then bi-yearly calendars. You know when Eid is, when Ramzan is. Like I've already just submitted my, for example, my annual budget for next year.
Yeah.
Uske andar, my only biggest fret, and I'm holding my heart whenever I say this, is will my innovations be on time?
Yeah.
Because one delay in innovation changes. I can't get that sale back.
Yeah.
वो महीना चला गया मेरे
बिल्कुल
लिए,
ऐसे।
right? So for me, it's all about making sure मेरी team सारी galvanized है to be able to execute on time.
What is your biggest product? Like अभी जैसे we know wedding season है. So
Yeah.
like what's your biggest
This
product?
season, OND we call it, October, November, December, actually goes all the way till Feb. And especially now because the calendar year is a bit
Yeah.
changing because Ramzan is coming
Yeah.
earlier. So it'll be the last 3 months, and probably now it'll be in the next few years also the first 3 months because Eid will fall into that, you know. These are crazy. And हमारा culture भी तो अब हो गया है, ये जो sales है 11, 11, 12, 12, and then the beauty festivals that take place at Imtiaz, at, you know, Dolmen, all these, there's a whole festive vibe. We're following basically global culture, Pakistan के अंदर.
Yeah.
That's where it's come from, right?
Unfortunately, I feel like
Unfortunately,
अपना
and
ही
that's
कुछ
really
बना ले.
squeezed our pricing, and that's really squeezed our buying behavior because people now they try, so highest number of triers happen in this season, unfortunately. And obviously they buy on the sale,
Yeah.
you know.
And
So
then
it
they
hurts
don't
your-
come back, or they come back?
They come back. So most of my repeat is 30% organic. You know,
Okay,
so 30%
lovely.
is coming back every time. And if your base keeps growing, that 30% is a very good number.
So,
you know,
what kya hai? What's the best product that you guys sell? Your
it's actually
biggest
something
product.
that was never here. So it was completely white spaced. It's our Oso Cherry Cleansing Balm.
Oh my God, that's the one I use.
Yeah?
You know why? Oh my God, can I tell you a funny story?
Sure.
Okay. So बीच में ना पता नहीं मुझे एक भूत सवार हुआ दोबारा से acting का ना, and
अच्छा.
I was like okay fine. I was sitting in the hum office and they were like listen आप drama करो. I was like please मुझे नहीं ले मुझे नहीं करना. But eventually I got convinced into doing it. Okay. The
अच्छा.
bottom line of this story was that I was not aware कि मेरे मुंह पे कितना makeup लगेगा. And literally you asked me today do you want makeup if we're going live? I was like no.
She's like, no.
Yeah.
I was like, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. You know, my skin is fine without anything.
Yeah.
Just some sunscreen, just some moisturizer. We're good. But those days they would like take the base. ठीक है, base को यूं उल्टाया हाथ पर, paint brush.
Yes.
Okay, just so that there was nothing that could
Right.
be seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God forbid it cracks, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when I used to come home, I would be a mess. मैं अपने दिमाग में सोचती थी यार मैं इसको उतारूंगी कैसे, like मुझे इतना गुस्सा आता था, and micellar water just would not cut it.
Yeah.
Like just would not.
And it's
Yeah.
a bit evasive too, because you have to keep rubbing,
And I
keep rubbing
kept doing it and my
harshly, you
skin
know?
is sensitive. It started becoming red.
Yeah.
Then
Oh, this came along.
फिर मुझे इनका ये बाम मिला.
कहाँ से मिला? किसी ने recommend किया?
मुझे मिला क्योंकि हमारी इनकी ओरिजिनल जो मार्केटिंग टीम इनके साथ थी,
हाँ.
वो और मेरी आज की मार्केटिंग टीम के पीपल ओवरलैप कर रहे थे.
अच्छा.
Okay.
सिलास टीम, I told
Oh,
you
of
this,
course,
remember?
Sila,
Yeah.
yes.
सिलास टीम.
Yes,
तो
yes.
उनके पास कुछ चीजें थी and they
Yeah,
had me
okay.
do a hair beauty का influencer type
Right
thing,
Yes.
and I had the product and I was like I've never used this, but let's give
try it.
that product.
अच्छा.
It's like magic, and I don't understand like how, because it's like a tiny little amount you put on your hair and poof, clean.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
It's a really amazing
I smell so
emulsifying balm. It's an oil to milky cleanser
Okay.
without leaving any oil in your residue in your face.
Yeah.
And it vanishes, it takes away the most stubborn makeup, sunscreen, any oil-based things basically.
Wow.
And the idea was inspired by, you know, आजकल Korean beauty का आपको पता है कितना trend है, right? So it was inspired by Korean beauty that you have to first to have any serums or any treatments on your face. आपका सबसे पहला step होना चाहिए a clean canvas जो सारे pores को साफ करे. And double cleanse क्या होता है कि अब you start with an oil-based cleanser, ये Oso Cherry oil base है, and then you follow it with a water-based cleanser, which is our pH Balance Bestie, which is also these are two number one sellers
Also a
basically.
very, very good. Sorry, I'm like I'm
It's
like
fragrance free,
brand
it's lovely,
ambassador,
it's great for the most sensitive skin. We call it Balance Bestie for that reason, because it's like a bestie for your skin.
Yeah.
You know? Just
And
really.
all these products are made here in Pakistan?
So we have basically 2 labs. We work with 2 foreign labs for all our testing. So it's dermatology tested, it's clinically proven the active levels, because यहाँ पे पता नहीं होता कि क्या actives आप डाल रहे हैं, right? And we want to make sure कि हमारा जो not the sprinkling level of active जो आप डाल रहे हैं, but जो claim level होता है, जो actual functional level, sorry, I meant functional level active क्या होता है, जो आपकी skin में actually कामयाब करता है, right? Like it gives you the benefit that you're looking for. We have actives between 1% to up to 5 to 7%, by the way, in some of our products. And these are all tested then in foreign labs, and then they're brought here. And then we localize because हम tech transfer ले लेते हैं. We buy the formulas from them because they're
Acha.
custom made for brown skin in mind, for our climate in mind, for the modern day woman who's, you know, living
Absolutely,
life here.
And she
in
doesn't
mind.
want a lot of products, right? The modern day woman. She wants
Yes.
a few products, and that's.
Well, I like to differ on
Disagree?
that.
This is the
Yeah.
same principle. कि repeat नहीं करना, repeat करना है. Some people want it, some people don't.
Because some people like to indulge. They
In
feel,
skincare?
No, it's self-care for them. Okay, so if it's self-care, then they want the 8 steps. They're fine with it. And now
Who
I
is
think,
putting? Are you an 8-step person?
Are you crazy?
Oh, I
can't-
am.
You
No,
are.
Oh,
no.
yeah.
Every
I
day?
slow down. So I told you, I have slowed down.
Every day?
I do it every day.
Are you sure?
No, every
But
day.
your skin is great though, so I mean she's definitely doing something
between
good.
one morning routine and मेरी रात की routine, yes, 8 products. And I tell you why. I did it intentionally. it was by intention to slow me down. Because that's my time where I put my candle on and I literally put it on.
I think we need to do it.
And I really get myself, I put my phone into red light mode. Everything is going to make me sleep better.
It's your me time.
It's my me time. Yes, it's my time.
Yeah.
It's my time. And then when I get up in the morning, I like to look at a face that actually feels, jaise facial se utھ ke, you know,
Wow.
I'm looking like that.
I noticed you don't apply a lot of makeup.
No, I like that no makeup
Yeah.
look. She's actually wearing no makeup and looks flawless.
my
But I like the
skin,
no
yeah.
makeup look.
I try to take care of my skin, and I think even eating and what I eat has
Yeah.
a lot to do. Now I've realized is with what my skin looks like, how
Yeah.
It does.
supple, bouncy. So inside and then outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then here as well, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
For me, like this is like the worst, right?
Right.
So the days that I'm anxious, my skin's gone, my
Really?
gut
Yeah.
is gone.
Yeah, the gut.
Oh, the gut. Oh my God. The gut is everything. And
It
then
is.
hormones, obviously, you know.
It's
It's another
just-
thing that plays right on your face.
Yeah.
You know?
How do you define beauty?
Beauty, I think, is a self-expression. It's also empowering for yourself. It makes you feel connected to who you are. And I think now it's a more modern day definition of beauty. To understand beauty, we have to understand what beauty was, especially in our cultural context. Okay?
Yeah.
And where people bought from and what people associate from. They
Yeah.
associate it as a beauty standard.
Yeah.
Ab yaad hai wo time 20 saal purana. And I always say this, beauty for me is not a product, it's a memory. Because we all have experienced at some point of our life कि देखो
Beauty,
आपके
हाँ.
बाल लंबे होने चाहिए, घने होने चाहिए, खड़ी नाक होनी चाहिए और
Sunsilk commercial.
सबसे most important आपकी skin fair होनी चाहिए because it was a social economic currency. Now imagine what that did for women. If you didn't fit in that box, what did you have to do? Everything was geared to correct yourself.
Yep.
Honey, there's no आपके पास कोई middle ground नहीं है. आपको कोई oil करना है, आपको creams लगानी है fair करने के लिए, and God knows,
उसमें क्या क्या है, वो क्या क्या
उसमें
skin को कर रहा है,
yes,
but no-
exactly,
No clues,
exactly.
yeah.
Now that has changed.
Yes,
Guys,
thankfully.
we're looking at one of the biggest transformations
It's
in
a
our
revolution.
southern,
Yes.
fair and lovely to
Yeah,
glow and
glow
lovely.
and
That was in
If
2020.
not this, then what shows you?
Got it, exactly. And that happened in 2020. So it was a global revolution that cascaded to, our part of the world, South Asian countries. And
Yeah,
then they all
seriously.
spoke up and they all rebelled. And then women were able to identify that with themselves. And I think now, for me, beauty is that women feel part of a spectrum. They feel like they can identify themselves and they feel good about who they are in their own skin. And I think that's the ultimate definition of being beautiful.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. And in what they wear, right? So that I think
Yes,
is for
both. In their own skin and what they wear. However they want to carry themselves.
I feel like it's about a matter of building self-confidence.
Yeah.
That's where it comes from. Like आप कुछ भी पहन सकते हैं, but आपको फिर भी लोग प्यारा कहेंगे if you are comfortable in
Yeah.
what you are and what you're wearing, how you're looking, what you
Right.
put on your face.
Yes.
It all depends on how you feel about yourself.
Yeah.
Once
Yes.
that changes, everything else kind of radiates. These
Yeah.
days, everybody's talking about aura.
Or energy.
Aura farming, वही. Energy, aura farming, looks maxing, do the best with what you have. It's all part and parcel of the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to move to the next part of the show. Yeah. It's going to be fun, quick, ideally quick. Normally होता है quick नहीं रहता, but it's fine. So it's basically a spill or skip.
Okay.
Try not to skip.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. But let's try to be fast in this. Okay, so I'll start with you, Zainab. A collaboration that completely flopped.
Actually, they all have worked.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, you have no failures, Zainab?
Not in collaborations.
Okay.
In other things, yes.
What's so a product that completely flopped?
We had a formula problem with our earthy clay mask.
Okay.
It dried too easily, but I took it back very quickly and I worked it so that it had more longevity in its ability to dry. So when you put it on,
Yeah.
it dried too quickly. It's supposed to dry slowly, right? That was one of the things we fixed.
Wow, okay. So the weirdest beauty advice that you've received?
Weirdest. Oh,
I'm sure there's so many.
Yeah, they are. Put toothpaste on something, on a pimple.
Yeah. Yeah. It's also that morning saliva, I don't know.
Yes. Morning saliva too.
What?
Yes, that is true, by the way.
It is true, it works.
It does work. Some people say that it's got antibacterial properties, will help you.
A beauty trend you think you secretly wish would just disappear.
I don't really like acrylic nails, to be honest.
Yeah? Why?
Yeah. I don't know. I find them a bit
Tacky.
creepy. Yeah, creepy.
Fair. A business lesson you learned the hard way.
Know who you partner with. in every aspect of the way, whether it's your team that you're building, the investors you're looking for, the agencies you're working for. You have to make sure you're on the same wave, and there's trust, and there is mutual respect for one another.
The time that you wanted to quit, but you didn't quit.
Every year, every year.
Your guilty pleasure skincare product.
It'll be the one that it's our own product.
Yeah, of course.
And it's skin drink.
Skin
Drink.
drink.
Yeah, it's a midway between. It's an essence, so it acts like a moisturizer, but it's hybrid. So it's super light. It's like water for your skin, and I just keep sulping it on,
Wow.
just guzzling it all day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A product that you expected that it would sell, but it didn't.
I was expecting our rose oil to sell more. I don't know why it didn't sell as much, even though it's a vanishing oil, so it has no stickiness. But I think we need to do more of a marketing job to create that awareness. So it's a very good priming essence oil. So before you put that on, if you put that on and then you put makeup, it's fantastic.
Acha.
But because we have so many products to support, it's hard to give it the attention, I think. We need
fair.
to give it more.
And the last one, a secret hack that your competitors don't know, but they will now find out.
Oh my God, you really want me to blow? We work very actively with foreign labs on formula development. I think one of the things with Pakistan is there's a lot of recycled formulas. Just few changes. Ours are very, very different formulas. They're very unique, and we guard them with all our might because we don't want third-party manufacturers in Pakistan locally to get access.
And do you think you can build a product just in Pakistan? Do you think we have that skill set, those
Yes, we
capabilities?
do. But it is very, very limited. It is very limited, and I think it's the same people who do it, and they've been in the industry for a long time. They're veterans, and we take a lot of pride to work with them, to be honest.
Okay, amazing. That was quick. Okay, so for you, the first one, the worst fashion disaster you've seen on a client.
I would not have let them walk out. मतलब if they were looking bad, तो मेरा नाम भी तो साथ जा रहा है. Okay. एक बार client अंदर आए and they wanted something. It was bright red. It was the groom's father.
Wow, okay.
He wanted bright red and gold.
In his Sherwani?
Yes. We fixed it. मतलब डिजास्टर मैंने उनको ऐसे
होने
जाने
नहीं
नहीं दिया
दिया,
बट जो ओरिजिनल पीस उनके लिए बन कर आया था ना, अगर वो कोई देखता, इट वाज लाइक अ फायर ट्रक डिजास्टर वेटिंग टू हैपन. बट
कैसे? How did you?
यार कभी कभी पीपल कम इन एंड उनको वो आते तो हैं डिज़ाइनर के पास, लेकिन उनके दिमाग में वो बहुत बड़े डिज़ाइनर होते हैं, तो दे नो व्हाट दे वांट. लेकिन जब हम उनको वापस नीचे लेकर आते हैं कि नो डोंट डू दैट, डू दिस लुक्स बेटर विथ योर स्किन, बॉडी पे आपकी ये शेप नहीं जाएगा, खुदा के लिए पेप्लम मत पहने, खुदा के लिए, you know.
Yeah, peplum was fashion. It was. I think everyone was wearing one. But okay, so we're going to continue. A collection that you wish you could redo.
मैंने पर्सनली एक कलेक्शन निकाली थी बाय द नेम ऑफ आहन कारा. इट वाज वेरी मच ए स्टडी फॉर मी इन डेलिकेटनेस. लेकिन मसला उसमें कपड़ों का नहीं था, ना कंस्ट्रक्शन का था. मसला ये था कि मैंने समंदर किनारे शो किया और इतने फ्लोई के साथ मैंने हवा का कंट्रोल एलिमेंट मैं भूल गई. तो एक बहुत बड़ा वेरिएबल था और उसी दिन बहुत हवा चल रही थी एंड एक भी मेरी तस्वीर जो है ना was not
नहीं अच्छी आई.
disaster.
And you couldn't have reshot? No.
It was a live show. Oh. I mean, everybody saw the show, but my point was कि मेरे लिए कुछ भी वहाँ से usable नहीं था because.
Oh damn. A trend you refuse to follow and why?
Trends come and go, man. Like जैसे फर्शी शलवार आई थी.
हाँ.
कहाँ है अब?
नहीं, मेरे पे तो पहनती हूँ.
हाँ, पता है ओरिजिनली किसने पहनी थी? फातिमा जिन्ना ने पहनी थी. उस टाइम पे तो ट्रेंड नहीं था. अब है. अब शेरवानियाँ लड़कियों ने उन्होंने शेरवानी के साथ पहनी थी एक फर्शी शलवार.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah.
So I don't know. आते हैं जाते हैं ट्रेंड्स कुछ.
You don't jump onto trends. You're like
No.
like
we
acrylic
design,
nails,
no, we design
microblading.
What are you talking about?
Okay.
No one in your family?
Not at all. Yeah, so the most overrated fabric in fashion, or like the fabric that you hate the most. I said, let's reword that.
Can I say?
Yeah, I also want to say. Please.
Jersey.
Jersey.
How dare you?
Why jersey though?
Just don't like it.
Oh my
It's
god.
uncomfortable.
I like velvet.
Yeah, I love it.
But
Have you ever
jersey?
seen velvet jersey?
But I'm just talking about jersey, not jersey velvet.
Okay, you know why I can't answer this
unhappy.
question? You know why I can't
Yeah.
answer this question? It's because this is my medium.
Oh.
Right? तो मतलब not jersey.
Okay, thank you.
मेरा मतलब ये कि
You like
आप
all-
एक आर्टिस्ट को ये तो नहीं पूछ सकते कि आपको कौन सा कलर पेंट का बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, because
Right.
then it wouldn't be my job.
Acha, so let me change this question. What fabric do you think flows the best?
Lots of them. Personal favorites are chiffon. Love it. Love a good crinkle chiffon if it's done well. आजकल शीशा सिल्क बड़ा आया हुआ है.
Shisha silk is one I don't like.
Really? Shisha silk, I feel like
shiny?
it's just
It's
not
too
clingy.
ankara हुआ.
I'll tell you something, it's just not used properly. हमारे दिमाग में जो चीज़ है ना वो ये है कि एक लहंगा बनाना है. अब लहंगा किस तरह कटेगा, किस शेप में जाएगा, that depends on the fabric. We
Right.
cannot always cut कलीज in
Yeah.
any fabric.
Yeah.
अब मैं सोफे का कपड़ा आप मुझे ये दो और बोलो लहंगा बना दो, मैं कभी भी इसमें कली ना काटूं, you will be a balloon.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I personally think that is on the artist, not on the fabric.
Okay.
हर फैब्रिक किसी ना किसी वजह से बनाया गया था, उसको यूज करना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टेल यू कि यार लेमन से सिट्रिक एसिड इज आई हेट इट, यू विल बी लाइक नो यू डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज इट.
Yeah.
Or vitamin C.
Vitamin
use,
C.
Use X
Yeah.
amount it. No, I
Correct.
said no. I want to use a more stable version of it.
fair,
I'm not
fair.
going to use the.
Personally, yeah,
yeah.
it depends on how you use
Yeah.
it.
So your best fashion show?
आई बिलीव जो अभी हमारा जून जुलाई में हुआ था, मई जून, वन ऑफ द समर मंथ्स वी डिड नखलिस्तान. It was like magic on earth for
What
me.
do you enjoy the most though? Like, what is the
About the show?
one thing?
Creation. I think for me, fashion shows serve as a purpose of blank canvas and creating new trends. तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है उस process में, सबसे ज़्यादा the creation of it. बाकी सारी चीज़ें flow. If you create something जिस पे सबकी नज़र दो बार रुके ना, you've done your job.
Yeah.
Everything else is secondary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think I'm sure the feeling that you get
It's
after.
innovation. What she was
Yeah.
mentioning, you know.
The feeling is beautiful, no?
आफ्टर मुझे तो पहले मजा आता है. मुझे तो
The
पिने
process,
लगा
the journey.
लगा कर उसको देखना मजा आता है.
the
वो
journey.
बाद की बात है, वो जब पहने ना, that's a different story. But yeah.
So the craziest last minute demand that you got from a client? I'm sure there's many.
Ooh, I had one client come in and say on one occasion कि ना इसको आप इतना छोटा कर दें, मतलब नी लेंथ था, आप वेस्ट लेंथ पे ले जाएं. मैंने बोला सोच लें. एक जैकेट थी.
अच्छा,
ठीक है, मैंने बोला,
jacket थी.
ठीक है, ओके फाइन, लेट्स डू इट. काट दिया. अगले पार आती हैं, शी इज लाइक
नहीं.
नहीं वो बेहतर लग रहा था.
अब तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
अब now you see the difference is what do you say in that
Yeah.
circumstance.
Right.
Don't go into made to order. Very frustrating.
Tough.
Yeah.
It's frustrating.
That is actually
Yeah.
probably the
You
toughest.
need a lot of patience.
Yeah, absolutely. A celebrity that you wish would wear your designs? Local, ideally.
Ideally locally. You know, मुझे कभी भी इतना वो नहीं था कि कोई भी celebrity पहने. I preferred that वो खुद ही रीच आउट करें. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लक्स स्टाइल पे, राइट, लक्स स्टाइल पे मेरे पास एक पीस पड़ा हुआ था बैक ऐसे ही, which was supposed to be part of my next show. And इत्तेफाक से the stars aligned in such a way. I have never worked with Zoya Nasir. I ended up working with Zoya Nasir. What a fantastic moment that was. So for me, it's not about with celebrity. Sometimes a celebrity's voice cannot carry what you're designing and vice versa. So sometimes when that synergy happens ना, तो उसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है. More than कौन, I would say किस मौके के लिए और किस टाइप ऑफ पर्सनालिटी को हम ड्रेस कर सकते हैं. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि जोया नासिर का अगला कोई चीज़ हो रही हो जिस पे हम नहीं मैच करें, बट इस पे दिस मोमेंट, द टाइम, द सिनर्जी, द प्लेस, द एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट परफेक्ट. या
So my question is कि I have seen people इसमें जो अभी लक्सस्टाइल अवार्ड्स हुए जिसमें जो सेलिब्रिटीज आए, so the clothes they were wearing and the clothes that जो अभी जो हम का हुआ था award, so you know I feel like it's changed. Fashion should be representative of your personality as well,
यस.
but I feel like it's more it's become very it's all become the same.
Couture?
Yeah, and it's become very designer led. I feel like वो self expression नहीं आता except for a few celebrities, of course.
आई फील लाइक अगर आप डिज़ाइनर से पूछो तो वो यही कहेंगे कि हम वही बनाएंगे जो बेचेंगे, और बेचेंगे क्या, जो लोगों को पहनना है. तो ये एक बड़ी सिक्लिकल सी चेस है. Like I said, अगर मैं अपने दिमाग से कुछ अच्छा सा बना दूं लेकिन वो बिके नहीं तो was it successful?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
But if everybody wants to wear a farshi shalwar, if I'm not making a farshi shalwar, then am I really doing business well?
Yeah.
So it's a thing. It's a row cat and mouse chase that you're always like, does art mimic life? Does life mimic art? It's that argument. So I don't usually tend to get into it, but I will definitely say that with any of these award shows, ceremonies, fashion shows, whatever, I feel like the people who are judging it now, they really should ask themselves कि इस चीज़ का मकसद क्या है, राइट? इससे बेनिफिट किसको जा रहा है, इसके लिए पैसे कौन दे रहा है और इससे पैसे बना कौन रहा है? Does Lux Style Award give money to the designers? No. Who's paying for the event?
Yeah.
You know, those are the real questions I feel like, more than what was she wearing or he wearing. You are never going to have fashion associated with an institution until and unless या तो वो बिल्कुल ही रिबेलियन की तरफ जा रहा हो और एक सेल्फ ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन हो, बट वो तो है नहीं, राइट? अगर एक कॉर्पोरेट डिनर है वो,
हाँ,
तो ये भी तो देखिए
वो
ना,
हो
फिर
नहीं
उसमें
सकता।
फिर फैशन कहाँ आएगा?
Yeah.
बीच
पर
में?
हसन रहीम ने फिर भी दिखाया था fashion, he was wearing his shorts, and I feel like
Yeah.
that itself is an expression, and I think that's good, my opinion at least.
I think there could be more indie brands that were there to be represented.
Yeah,
To
yeah.
be honest.
I don't, but here's the thing, like, would you wear?
But in a fair way, so that people are
Huh.
projected, and
Yeah.
the overall fashion industry. And I'm not talking about Lux Style Awards itself, the award,
Generally.
but I'm talking about the fashion
Yeah.
at the award
I feel
show.
like everything has just become the same.
Yes.
Every
It's just
Jora,
very
every
couture,
designer.
It's all about the ballroom dresses, and it wasn't about.
Yeah. That on the award shows, and generally even in stores,
Yes,
right? So
yes.
at
Yeah.
designers, it's all the same. The Jodas.
अब I'll tell you a very good case of what she just said. अब Lux Style Awards की अगर बात करें, in specific one thing comes to mind. You mentioned Hasan Rahim. Did I like his ulta shorts in denim? No, I didn't. I thought कि ना वो मौके के लिए सही था, ना वो red carpet के हिसाब से सही था. अगर denim में ही खेलना था ना, look at what Rumesa wore from Adnan Pardesi, also denim, also recycled, completely upcycled, made from organic things. But it was a corseted gown made in denim. That's how you do a red carpet in denim. Not
sounds
wearing-
lovely. I did not see that, but that
Not
sounds.
wearing pockets on the floor. Like that was just, for me, it was an easy way out to get
Attention.
like, not attention per se, but like,
to say,
is lazy.
हाँ, like करना है ना, like honestly I thought कि अगर denim देखा जाए ना, वो दो लोग आप साथ में रखें और मुझे बताएं कि कौन जीता. Seriously, it's I know Adnan Pardesi, I know which collection that's from the TDAP 2024, because I was there, and that collection was fire. Like it was so good, and Rumesa wore a look from that. So literally, like after this is done, आप देखिएगा, आप एक denim ये
देखूंगी,
रखें साथ और दूसरा denim वो रखें साथ. That's how you put denim on a red carpet. Like,
So definitely, I think what you're saying is that obviously clothes should be representative of the event that you're at. Right?
बिल्कुल. हाँ, मतलब आप समंदर किनारे जाकर आप fall का कोट तो नहीं पहन कर जाएंगे ना summer के अंदर. That doesn't, like, you have to stay within the confines of the event. Like जैसे Oscars के ऊपर, जैसे every time they have a theme, so you have to dress according to the theme.
yeah.
Right? That's the whole point of coming up with it. That's where the creativity comes from. Unfortunately, एक और चीज़ इस बार ये हुई कि सिर्फ 2 हफ्ते पहले ही तो बताया गया था ये इवेंट है, तो आप कैसे ड्रेस करेंगे?
अच्छा.
Zoya came to me 4 days before.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's too short of a notice.
Right.
That is, yeah.
So of course I'm going to pull out whatever's in my closet or reach out to designers who have stuff
Yeah.
that could work, but
Okay, so for the people who are watching, so when we were on break, we
Yeah.
were discussing something very important that I told you I wanted to circle back to
Right,
it.
right.
Talk about it. So the deodorant and how it's not safe for you, because I feel like this is information that everybody should have.
yes.
So I think when we were entering into body care, it was very important for us to go in something that A, was very personal to me, and 2, that was very disruptive, okay? You know, women's health is something that we kind of ignore. When we think about open pores, our pits are exposed to, they're open, right? So they're open, so whatever you put inside them goes right into your bloodstream, goes inside your body, and so forth, right? Roll-ons and antiperspirants are carcinogenic. They're known for it, okay? And
Can you define that a bit more for people?
sure,
What
it's
is
when you know toxins are entering your body that have a way to bring out cancerous
Yeah.
type cells into your body, and there has been a lot of research on this. So a lot of women are now, they've used putkaris,
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
use
Which is alum,
deodorant,
yeah.
alum, yeah, and so forth. So we wanted to create a deodorant that was based out of alpha hydroxy acids, which are natural acids, yeah. And we coined it up with a biotechnology called Hydrosal, which is antibacterial, not antiperspirant. Antibacterial means that it stops odor at its source, but lets your skin breathe and lets you sweat. So it's not for the people who say, oh, I don't want to sweat. It's for
Yeah.
those people who understand that sweating is good for you.
natural.
I mean, why do we go to the gym? It's to release all our sweat, and
Yeah.
sweat comes from here a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there was one other thing, and they're all fragrance mildly. They're made with organic scents, very very nice, very gentle, and they make sure that you are good for close to 6 to 8 hours, depending on the intensity of workout. Everyone reapplies deodorant, so this is
course.
normal, right?
Yeah. Wow. Okay. So I feel like this information is also very important because skincare products, anything you're putting on your skin, right,
Yes.
has to be made with a lot of care. Because
That's right. So that's the whole philosophy of the brand.
Yeah.
So we wanted to make sure that women have access to new age formulas with clinical actives that are clean. Okay, they've gone through a clean process. What does clean mean? Clean is a very unregulated world in the world of beauty.
Yeah.
In countries and locally, तो यहाँ पे तो
It's thrown around.
it's thrown around like it's nothing. But in our definition, and what we have done is that we made sure that whatever ingredients that we're using, synthetic or plant derived, we are vegan, so we're not animal derived. Okay, they've gone through a clean and kind process, so whatever is going into your skin is biocompatible. It's clean and kind. It will not cause any disruption of any sorts.
wow, it makes me want to go and get some. You know?
I'm telling you, I use it.
Yeah, I know. Anything you want to say at the end of the show, Varisha?
We should all be nice to one another.
Yes, very good.
Oh, you know what? I agree with
Very
her.
good. Amazing. Thank you so much for joining us today, for coming in. Thank you.
Thank
and
you.
अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा.
Thank you so much. It was a real
Yeah,
pleasure
honestly,
having
it
this
was so much fun.
conversation so easy.
Yeah, and I think I see a collab happening.
No, definitely,
So-
definitely. And I have a success story with that.
There you go.
We just said it.
Did?
No, I said like a success
Oh,
story
yeah.
because I said that
It never happened.
Never
It
happened.
never fails,
So I know it'll work.
So with that, we'll just end the show and then they can, talk about their new collab that's coming up. But thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank
you,
you.
girls.
Thank
for
you.
having
Thank
us.
you.
अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. खुदा हाफिज़.